This is my hotel room in the Hampton by Hilton Glasgow Central Hotel. I think that's the name of it. It's about 10 or 15-minute walk from the train station. I booked it using my points, so it was free, which saved me like, I don't know, $400 or something. So this is the view from the door. First, you have this bathroom with a slightly askew toilet. Hello. Nice big shower. No bathtub. Dispensers, which kind of cool, I guess. Things there. Okay. Then coming out into the main area, I have a queen bed with plugs near the headboard for once, which is fantastic. Little chair, a desk, a TV, and a bar, coffee bar, I guess. There's my kettle, big TV, nice little desk with a actual like office chair, which is good. Lots of plugs everywhere. This is from the window. Okay, let's look at the view. Oh. Oh boy. Well, just keep that closed. That's what we'll do there. Here's a little chair. Phone. Yep.